You've tried many times to lose those extra pounds but failed? Then you are in the right place. We've all been there, haven't we? The late-night Google searches for the quickest way to lose weight, the promises we make to ourselves every new year, the countless gym memberships that sit unused. I've been there too, and let me tell you, it wasn't a walk in the park. The countless diets that promised results but never delivered, the frustration of seeing the scale remain stagnant week after week, the disappointment of failing yet again. It was a harsh reality that affected my self-esteem, my confidence, and the way I viewed myself. It's a struggle that many of us know all too well, and it's a struggle that's all too real. But here's the thing. It's okay to struggle, it's okay to fall. What's important is that we rise each time we fall. I know how it feels to be in this situation, but don't lose hope. You're not alone in this journey. But then, something changed. I discovered the best diet. Now you may be wondering, what is this mysterious best diet? If you're curious, hit that like button and subscribe the channel. Let's continue. Well, it's not some magic potion or a secret recipe. The best diet was simply a shift in perspective, a new understanding about food and nutrition. I came across it while browsing the internet one day, and my first reaction was skepticism. Yet another diet? But as I dug deeper, I found out that the best diet was not just another fad diet. It wasn't about depriving myself or counting calories. It was about understanding my body's needs and nourishing it with the right kinds of food. The best diet was a departure from the numerous diets I had tried before, which were often restrictive and left me feeling miserable. This one was different. It was about balance and moderation, about enjoying food rather than fearing it. So, I decided to give it a try. I committed to sticking with it for 3 months. It wasn't easy, of course. There were moments of doubt and temptation. But I stayed the course, motivated by the belief that this was a sustainable way of eating, not just a quick fix. Yes, it was challenging, but the results started to show, and that was the biggest motivation. Fast forward 3 months later, and I had lost 50 pounds. Yes, you heard it right, 50 pounds. It's still hard to believe, even for me. The thrill of seeing the scale move downwards week after week was in itself a reward. But the real joy was in the changes I started to notice elsewhere. I was brimming with energy, something I hadn't experienced in years. I was waking up fresh, ready to seize the day. I started to feel lighter, not just physically, but emotionally too. My confidence soared. I found myself smiling more, laughing more. I was fitting into clothes I hadn't worn in years. My health improved significantly. I was no longer short of breath after climbing a flight of stairs. My joints stopped aching, my skin started glowing. I felt stronger, healthier, happier. I realized that weight loss wasn't just about looking a certain way. It was about feeling a certain way. And that's when it hit me. This wasn't just about losing weight. This was about gaining health. It was about transforming my life, one day, 1 pound at a time. It was about proving to myself that I could do it. This journey taught me that weight loss is more than a physical challenge, it's a mental one. And once you conquer your mind, there's no stopping you. And that's how I turned my weight loss struggle into a success story. Now, I want to share some secret tips that I followed along this journey. First, consistency is key. It's not about making huge changes overnight, but small, sustainable shifts in your daily routine. Second, maintain a positive attitude. Weight loss isn't just physical, it's mental too. Your mind plays a significant role in this journey. Third, don't let minor setbacks dishearten you. Understand that it's okay to have cheat days. What's important is that you get back on track the next day. And finally, make sure to stay hydrated. Water is your best friend in this journey, so make sure to drink plenty of it throughout the day. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel for more inspiring stories and practical tips. Remember, your weight loss journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Keep going, and you will reach your goal.